True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeah man, big up on yourself anyone who watch from yard and abroad. No can big up on yourself. So today guys, I'm in St. Elizabeth Parish. Yeah man, we call St. Elizabeth, you know, the bread basket. So I'm gonna give you a tour into the Treasure Beach area, also the Great Bay area. So keep on watching. Yeah man, big up on yourself. Yeah man, you may talk. One love and one heart, man. I know so you take the time out to watch the video. So big up yourself, man. Yeah man, you see them place here, St. Elizabeth, you see the sign, Lover's Leap. So all them places here underneath, if you visit and look come at St. Elizabeth. They're on the south side. So guys, I'm right at the Pedro plane. Yeah man, say if you now go to the Treasure Beach area, you have to pass the police station if you go Treasure Beach side. So you must always look out for the police station here. It's also a landmark if you're going to Treasure Beach area. If you're coming from the Shorty area, also Crossroad area. So you have to look out for the police station. So remember to check out Lover's Leap and look at St. Elizabeth, you know. Most romantic spot in Jamaica. Lover's Leap. Appleton Estate, View Hotel. Need to check out them place there. Lashings. Treasure Beach area. Nice place where you can go. Get to know steam fish. So they have a hotel. And also you have Jack Sprat. So where I'm standing right now, as you can see, can take you to Treasure Beach, Mountainside, Black River, Santa Cruz. So you got some of my time, you know me I check the video. Catch a video and thing, but officer them are going bad funny things, so I have to go on easy. So it goes so many times. Sometimes when we don't know we're right in Jamaica, we always get up so many times because we're not really going at them space. But so police they all the while. They always see the wrong thing, they don't see the right thing, you know? So life always go. Yeah. I just have to tell you where I go on because I know everybody I got really nice streets out there. People always try to think about the negative stuff, not the positive. I just say things set, you know, with people, I just one love and one heart. Just I show you the location and forget to Treasure Beach, but can't catch all of the view on some landmark. Yeah man, so when people say them I go out there and I catch some images, I catch some views. You have a lot of different type of people out there. They're trying to invade. But they're not going for them privacy, but a lot of people don't like it still. So I have to see it so many times. Just telling the facts we are going to Jamaica, you know. I just say things it. So yes, my beautiful people, you know I always show you some landmark. So where I'm standing right now, I'm at the entrance which can take you all to Great Bay, Billy's Bay, Frenchman. So you have to be very careful when you come in the Treasure Beach area. You have to look out for some landmark, look out for signs. Because you know in Jamaica, you're not going to see much sign. So you have to look out on the eyes, very careful. Yeah man. So this is the sign right here. Say, welcome to Great Bay. Yeah man, look out for that sign here. Welcome to Great Bay. From here, you'll see a nice view. You'll see a nice view to the sea. And also, you'll see a sign mark Great Bay Road. Always look out for the sign, you know. So this sign right here need to paint over and things. So just to show you the landmark them. So straight ahead will take you all to Jack Sprat, Lashings, 77 West. Great Bay Beach is located in the community of Great Bay, in the parish of St. Elizabeth, on the southern coast of the island. Also, when you're in the Great Bay area, you also can take a tour to the Pelican Bar in the Black River area. And also, if you love fishing, this is also a fishing area. Yeah man, so we can have no lobster pots. Yeah man, so on a Sunday or Saturday, we can come here so enjoy yourself with the family members, come have a drink. So we don't know Jamaica sweet. So leave in the comment section and tell me what you think about this area, if you would live here or you would visit here. Great Bay Beach, no lifeguard on duty. So when you come at them beach, you have to be very careful because there is no lifeguard on duty, and this beach always rough most of the time. So you gotta be very careful. You know, enough of us, like enough people, bring them family members come to the beach, tended to their babies and also their kids. So we must always be careful. This beach always rough. So when you come to the beach, yeah man, you can stop at the bar, have a cool red stripe beer. Trust me, Jamaica nice, you know. Jamaica really nice, because if you just can come out on the beach and take a walk in the early morning, in the evening, whichever day, whichever time of the day, you can come out and walk the beach. I tell you, Jamaica nice, Jamaica sweet. So always take your time out and visit Jamaica. And always, if you learn something about this channel, you can kindly subscribe and also share the video, because knowing Jamaica is very important.